Hello everyone, welcome to my PHP. Today we will introduce to Plugin System MRestore. Plugin System MRestore is an extension of Joomla used for demo websites that need to restore the system to clear data that user changed on the demo. The ability of this plugin are create backup file for restore. So you can set whether to backup only the file or database or both. And you can set the restore method that will use restore with cron job in direct admin or PHP. And you can set the countdown display and schedule when you want to restore. Okay, let's look about usage of plugin system MRestore. So the system will check the backup file in the system first. If there is not yet, the system will notify and can click Create Backup Now to create the file. And the next field, use cron job. This section will set up cron job which must be set direct admin before. For the part used to run the script, use the script part here. If not using cron job, choose No, and the system will call the PHP script to run when someone opens the web page. And the next field, database restore. If you want to back up database, you can set Yes to back up the database. And the next, you can set file restore for setup to backup website file. And the next, show countdown timer. You can set to show countdown number if you want. And the last, set time. You can set the time that you want to restore. The first field, set time and hour. You can set the time restore in hours. For example, if you want to restore at 2 a.m., you just select 2. And the next set time minutes. It set the time to restore in minutes. For example, if you want to restore at 2:30, you just select 30 in this field. Okay, this usage of plugin system MRestore. Suitable for demo website that need to restore the system to clear data. For people who want to use this plugin, can download this plugin on www.myphp.com. Today we will finish this video. Thanks for watching our video.